People always ask me, what is it like to be a beekeeper? So to help explain what it's like, I've created these videos to go over my experiences. I will cover lessons learned and give you explanations of what it's like to be a beekeeper. I hope you enjoy my adventures in beekeeping. My apiary is located in Junction City, Oregon. Here we have wild blackberries growing, farms in the area growing clover, and a good amount of maple trees, ideal for bees. When I first got into beekeeping, I was scared of them beyond belief. But over time, and getting stung, I've grown to enjoy it and learned how to respect them. I would say that having bees are less maintenance than a dog, but are more maintenance than a cat. Instead of cleaning a litter box, you are cleaning the tall grass and weeds. During the summer, there are typically over 60,000 bees in a hive. There is one queen, and she is laying over 1,500 eggs a day. Bees are bees. They're insects. They are not your pets. Don't name them. Don't pet them. Leave them alone to do their thing. And don't keep moving the hive because you care for their well-being. The bees can and do sting you through your gloves. The trick is to know your bees. If they are overly active, find out what is wrong. They should be calm. And if you are calm, they will be less likely to sting you. Whenever you open the hive, you are setting your hive back a couple of days. During the summer, open your hive at most once a week. Every 2 weeks is fine. Never stand in front of the hive where the entrance is. The bees might think you are attacking the hive. Instead, stand or sit to the side of the hive to work or watch them. Drones are male bees. You can ID them by their big eyes. They do not have a stinger, so you don't have to worry about them stinging you. Suit up every time you go to work your bees until you have enough experience to work them without a suit. This usually takes about 3 years of beekeeping. Your suit should be at least your next size up. For example, if you are a large, you should wear an extra large bee suit. One time when I was working a hive, I got attacked. If you find that you get attacked, walk behind a tree. This will give the bees a sense that the invader has left and calm down. I find that it's always best to smoke yourself before you attempt to open your hive. If the smoke is too hot for you, then it's too hot for your bees. If you find that a bee gets in your suit, kill it quickly. Do not try to save it. Then look for how the bee got into your suit and seal it up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to press the like icon. Leave a comment below if there are topics you want me to cover. To watch more upcoming videos, press the subscribe button below the video. Thank you for watching.